India showcased its Eagle Reconnaissance capability during the 5th edition of the joint military exercise Dharma Guardian, which commenced on February 25, 2024. This annual exercise, conducted alternatively in India and Japan, involves the Indian Army and the Japan Ground Self-Defense Force, with each contingent comprising 40 personnel. The Japanese contingent is represented by troops from the 34th Infantry Regiment, while the Indian Army contingent is represented by a battalion from the Rajputana Rifles. The exercise aims to emphasize seamless cooperation between the two forces, focusing on physical fitness, joint planning, tactical drills, and special arms skills. Demonstrations included joint drills to neutralize militants, employing specially trained animals like dogs and eagles. It is to be noted that the Indian Army started training eagles and kites to hunt down enemy drones and for reconnaissance purposes. The training activities aim to strengthen the capabilities of both armies in counter-terrorism and disaster response scenarios, including establishing operating bases, creating surveillance grids, executing search operations, and conducting heli-borne interventions and house drills.